Guys, we got ourselves here a brand new oven that I want you to check out. We got the Prokan Kano 4-in-1 oven. You're gonna love this one. Let's check it out. The first thing you're going to notice about this bad boy is the digital temperature controller. On this controller here, it's either powered by battery, which is what I opted to do, or you put a USB jack in it. You could set it for preheat. You set your temperatures on there. You set your timer on there. And then there's a button for the motor that you're going to use for your pizza stone and get it twirling. It is also where you plug in your meat probe, because this isn't just a pizza oven. Being that it's a 4-in-1 oven, you can bake, broil, sear, and grill in it. So that's right. We're going to be doing some steaks in this bad boy. You do some pot roast in there, and you're going to want that meat probe for it. And that meat probe plugs into that digital unit. This oven has a sleek design, and it's a portable unit. And it actually comes with a carry bag that I use as a cover on it right now here in my backyard, which is, I think, is awesome, because a lot of these units don't come with covers, or, well, in this case, a carrying bag. So that's just one extra point in their benefit, and I dig it for that. It also comes with a pizza pill. It comes with a pizza slicer. So I'm definitely going to use this primarily for pizzas, but I love the fact that we have the options for other things to, cook in it. I did some roasted vegetables, did a big old steak in it, done a couple pizzas. Guys, this thing is a beast. Loving it. It's propane powered, right? But it also has an optional way to hook up to the natural gas, like say on your house, on the backyard here. I have a natural gas hookup that I will probably turn this into. Makes it a lot easier than lugging around that big old propane tank. But it's nice that you have the option of either or. The temp range on this bad boy goes from 356 Fahrenheit to 896 Fahrenheit. Once you start the fire in your oven, make sure you set the temperature you want. If you just turn that fire on and leave it going, it'll stay at the defaulted temperature. And again, you don't want to miss one of the best parts about this oven is being able to control the temperatures digitally. So make sure you raise up that temperature after that fire is lit. Some of the extras that Prokan sent to me for this bad boy, which are optional for y'all, is a shelf that sits on the front of this that locks into the front of the Kano. I find that very helpful when I'm, setting the pizzas in there and adjusting and moving and grooving them. They also sent a Detroit-style enamel pan with a little grill grate in it, which I totally dig. We did some steaks with it. One thing I want to show off is the handle for the pan itself. Actually becomes pair of tongs. Make sure you click them twice before you get started, but it's a handy dandy little item. Got the Prokan on there. Remember, 2 times clicking. You could also throw a cast iron pan in this thing, which is what I did for the vegetables that we roasted out. Obviously you use hand protection when you're moving that cast iron in and out of there, because obviously it's getting crazy hot in there. And another thing they sent me was a topping station, which you set up. Obviously, you put your toppings for your pizzas and stuff in there. I think it's really cool. Great idea for the kids when they're making their own pizzas. After cooking on this thing a few times, I am totally in love with it. This is gonna be my new main outdoor oven. This thing is a beast. I have some other outdoor ovens, some other pizza ovens we might do some comparison cooks against, but this thing is perfect size for the fam. It gives you plenty of options in it. So I'm really excited to have this as part of my backyard arsenal back here. Guys, if you want to get yourself one of these Prokan Kano 4-in-1 ovens, I will put a link down below to their website. Not an affiliate link, but it gives you an option to check it out, see it for yourself. But I can tell you the quality on this bad boy is second to none, and you're gonna dig it, because I dig it. So I know it probably has nothing to do with each other, but I dig it. We're going to use it a lot more. Comment down below. Tell me what you want to see in future videos with this Prokan Kano oven. Maybe not just pizzas. Give me a challenge to cook in an outdoor oven like this. All right. That's it for this one. Thank you to Prokan for sending this bad boy out. I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.